Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure set, and in today's video we will see set method symmetric difference and symmetric difference update. Let's start. In the first cell we have created set S1 and S2. We check information regarding S1 symmetric difference method. So we will write S1 dot symmetric difference. In front of it give question mark, shift enter. This will display information regarding symmetric difference method. It returns the symmetric difference of the two set as a new set, means answer will be written in a new set. All the elements that are exactly in one of the set. It is built-in function and method. So when you apply S1 dot symmetric method S2, the elements which are not present in both the set will be written as a result. So 1020 is present in the first set, 2020 is present in the second set, therefore this element will not be present in the resultant, while rest of the elements are different in both the set, therefore they are returned. Let's cross check. S1 dot symmetric difference, pass it parameter S2, shift enter. You have to store it in a variable res. If you directly run the method, if it returns the result in a cell, that cell prints it directly by default. If you store it in a variable, and then we can use the variable later, which is a set object. So we are printing the value of res. You can see all the uncommon element of both the set are present in symmetric difference method, which is written as a new set, which is stored in a set object res. Symmetric difference update is same as symmetric difference, just it does not return a set. It stores the result or updates the result in the set calling the symmetric difference update function. So click on the cell, run the cell. We have created S1 and S2 having common element 1020. We check the information regarding symmetric difference update function. Symmetric difference update question mark. You see, update a set with symmetric difference of itself and the other set. It is a built-in function or method. So if S1 calls symmetric difference update and pass parameter as S2, the result will be updated in S1 and it will contain all the uncommon element of both the sets. You can check the status of S1 or element of member of S1. You see 10 and 20 tuple is not present. Apart from this, all the uncommon elements in both the set are present in S1. That's it about today's video. We have studied symmetric difference and symmetric difference update function. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.